Hi guys, Megan off Leash Canine Boise. Meet Dayzee May. Miss Dayzee May is our newest 2-week board and train. She is a 2-year-old dachshund. The owners bring her to us because they already brought her brother Winston, the other dachshund, and the owner really wants to have very well-behaved dogs. Right now, Dayzee May is a little bit more shy than her brother Winston. Like Winston, she really struggles with barking and pulling on the leash. So we're going to be working on a quiet command because the owner's house setup is that people are constantly walking past their front yard. The dogs are just out there barking. They run the fence line. They won't come back when called. So quiet and the come command are going to be very important. She would also love to be able to take them out more places and enjoy them. Right now, when the two of them get together, they just pull, 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 and she can't really walk both of them at the same time. So the heel command will be a big one for them as well. And of course, we want to make sure that Dayzee has a good understanding of the place command for two reasons. One, because Dayzee's a little bit more nervous, we really want to build her confidence with that place command. And two, the owner says when people come over, the dogs are so excited to see everyone. They're just constantly jumping up. They're jumping up on the furniture. They're bothering everyone. So generally she puts them in their crate or in the back room. So she really wants to be able to have them out and enjoy their company when the owner is also enjoying her company. We are so excited to work with her. She is just too cute. So make sure you stay tuned for her transformation. Good girl, Miss Dayzee May.